Hey guys, so in this episode we're going to talk about grease gun. As you can see, if you own a rear wheel drive or a 4x4, one day you will find yourself needing to lubricate your U-joints here. Okay, so in this episode I'm going to teach you how to operate a grease gun. Okay, so what this is here is it is a grease gun. You can buy this at your local auto parts store, which costs about 18 bucks to 20 bucks. So this is a grease gun that you'll have to get. Okay, and I've already removed it from its box. So basically I have a couple grease guns and I don't want to mix the oils, and I want to remember what I put in my U-joints. Okay, so here I've labeled it Lucas red and sticky number 2, which is this type of grease. Um, there is a YouTube video about this red and tacky comparison with other cheaper general purpose grease, and this here seems to be a very good grease for general purpose use or heavy duty use. So basically in this video I am going to be placing this grease cartridge into here. So how you operate this, okay, is that, let's see, sorry about that, I have to remove the camera. Once you remove this from the box, what you need to do is you need to put the nozzle in, install the nozzle. Let's see. Alright, come on. Alright, there you go. It was kind of finicky. Won't go in. Hard-headed. Alright. So you'll see here, okay, this little thing right here, the tip or the nozzle, you can adjust this tip so that it will go into the little Zerk fitting that is in here. I don't know if you could see that. Let me see. Yep, you could see that. Okay, this little Zerk fitting. So keep that in mind. So how you adjust that is by screwing this down hard, and by screwing it down hard, or by moving it up and in and out. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's the nozzle here. So how you install the cartridge into here is this. First, open the front like so. Okay, once that's opened, you'll see this is actually sort of like the syringe, the little thing inside the syringe where it pumps off all the goo and the liquid. So then what you need to do now is pull the side out. This is sort of like the tensioner spring that you have to pull out like that. Okay, so once this is pulled out, what you need to do is take your grease cartridge and remove the cap. This thing comes with the cap. Okay, so you'll have to remove the cap like so. Okay, there. It's reddish. That's what it's called. That's why it's called the red and tacky. So then you put this in here. Okay, like so. Once you put the cartridge in here, okay, so what you need to do, okay, you don't want to forget to open this. You have to open this part or else it'll never work. Okay, open the cap just like a Coke can. Then what you need to do is you can then put this in like that. Okay. Okay, so that's in. Okay, so then you release this, and as you can see, this starts to go in like that. So now what you can do now is you can then pump this. There you go. It's come out. Okay, so let me go get some wipes and wipe my hand off. Be right back. Okay, so once that is settled in, what you need to do is this is what I do. So this is the Xerx fitting. You want to clean the tip here, and after that, you will then see if you could jam this in there. And if it is too small, what you need to do is you need to adjust the tip here. Okay. Okay. So it's in. Okay. So then what I like to do when I grease this thing is I like to pump until the grease comes out. Don't know if you can see that. Yep. Until the grease comes out to here. Out of here. Okay. And you can hear it come out. And I do it until I see the red grease coming out, new grease coming out, and then that's when I stop. Hi.
Hey.
Yeah, that's my boss. Okay. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you grease it. So then the next step is you see the new grease mixed with the old grease right here? Yep. So you want to wipe the new and the old grease here off. So that's how you grease your joints. And that's how you operate the grease gun. And let me know what your thoughts are, guys. That's how you do that.